What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your battery on a 2013 and up Chevrolet Malibu with a 2.5 liter engine. As you can see, your battery is right here and it's covered, right? The first thing we need to do is there are two release tabs on each side of this plastic thing. Okay, so we come down here, we'll push up on this side, push up on this side. There we go. I had to use both hands, but you have to press in and then pull up just like that. There's gonna be the knob right there. You're just gonna lift up and pull out just like that. Then you will be exposing your battery. All right, but it's gonna have all this stuff on here. This whole assembly is held in by these two plastic clips right here. So just pull these out to the side. Pull these right here. Pull them out to the side. So once you have these tabs freed up, now get yourself a 10mm wrench or ratchet or whatever, and then loosen up your ground. All right, just enough. Oh, you may want to unplug this right here. Let's unplug this right here. So just pull that clip back just like I did, and then just push back just like that. All right, remove the ground. Set it to the side. And now we're gonna move on to the positive side. All right, get your 10mm. Loosen it up. And oh, you see the clips? There's clips holding this in place. So I need to loosen up these clips and it should release it. Here we go. I believe you push down and then you pull them out on each side. I'm gonna use both hands for this. Hold on. All right. So it appears that we're going to have to lift this up right here. And in order to do that, you just lift this tab and it's gonna come up just like that. Make sure you remove this wire, move it to the side, open this up, and let's see. You don't wanna mess with any of this, so we're gonna go ahead and attempt to remove this ground, and this right here. This is a 13mm. I believe this is an 8, and you have to just remove this clip. All right, so let's go ahead and try that out. Here we go. This, remove your 8mm ground, 13mm power, and we have this wires out of the way. Now I believe this should come up as a unit, but we have to pry them out from the sides. Remember that, okay? So we're gonna grab a screwdriver, something like this, with a pick and try to get down here and pry it out just like that. Okay, there we go. That's on one side. Let me try to reach the other side. Oh, this computer is probably in the way, so we need to remove it. And the way you remove it is you push up evenly on both sides. All right, here, help me up. There we go. And it just comes out just like that. Sorry, I have to use my assistant here, my brother, to help me. And then you have a clear shot at the other side. Pull up, brother. Let's see. Hold on. Bring it down a little bit because it's kind of getting stuck right here. There we go. You see, and that's how you do it, guys. Bam, just like that. All right. Oh, as you can see, there's like a belt right here. You're gonna want to remove this belt that secures the battery in place and move it just enough to get your battery out of there. All right, so once you have this removed out of the way, the belt removed out of the way, the battery should come out, but it doesn't. It's secured by a screw that's right here, and it's covered by this plastic. You grab it by one of the ends and you pull up like this. All right, and there it is. That's your, I believe it's a 13mm if I'm not mistaken. Could be a 15, but let's see if it's 13. Yep, 13mm. So get your 13mm, loosen that up, take that out. Let's do that. So with your 13mm, you loosen this up, take the bolt out, take this thing out, and put them to the side. Do not lose that. Now let's see, does it move? Yes. Okay, so I will need both hands for this, but we will remove the battery and we will install the new one. All right, with your new battery in place, remove the cap. You wanna add your lubricant, you can. We're gonna go ahead and put it the way it is. All right, so put that on there first, that little belt strap, and then let's lower, yeah, make sure you line up that box right here with the holes provided. All right, so let's line that up. And there you go. It only goes in one way. Okay, so make sure this goes in all the way. And now we secure the battery by putting the plastic bracket in the back here, like so. Get the screw. There we go. And then we just we'll drive it home. All right, tighten that up. Then we'll tighten up the rest of the wires. So here we go. That's how you replace the battery on a 2015 and up or 2013 and up Chevrolet Malibu with a 2.5 liter engine with all this BS on it. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something today. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.